Hello traders, today is the 15th of July 2010 and happy trading to you all. Okay, this video is about the double bottom pattern. Okay, as you can see here on this 15-minute chart of the Euro USD, and this morning we locate clearly this double bottom pattern, and we have three types of double bottom pattern. Okay, and this is one of them. When the bottom one of them is higher, so it's the one bottom here plus a higher bottom here. This is a powerful bullish double bottom pattern. Okay, and this is what we recognize today on the 50-minute chart. Today, when you are trading a double bottom pattern, you must be very careful. You must first locate and recognize it clearly. Okay, and then that's your signal. Once you see it, that's your signal, and then your entry point is when the trend line is broken. You see this trend line here. If you follow my cursor here, this trend line here today was broken. That's the way I draw my trend line. People say it's a stupid way of doing it, but that's the way I draw my trend line. I'm happy about it. And as soon as this candle here, which is the 15-minute candle, we wait for it close above our trend line. That's our entry point. The signal is one thing, but the entry point is the most important thing, because once you enter the trade, it's too late. Okay, so you have to think first. And there was something very nice also here. We were on the central pivot level. I say to most of the TSTW24 traders that when you are trading, please have the pivot level on your chart to also to spy on other traders, to know exactly what other traders also are doing, and also to help you set a bit of target. Okay, so exactly also trend line broken exactly on top of the pivot level. We located this a higher low double bottom. This is a higher low. Okay, higher low double bottom, and the price just fly away all the way to R1. After it crosses above the R1, it's time to take a bit of profit, but that's not where you take your first profit. Your first profit as a TSTW24 trader, and this video is for the TSTW24 traders primarily, but anybody can watch it. Your first profit, you must take your first profit at this level here, because there is a resistance. This is the trap for most of the people who recognize the double bottom pattern. They will buy here. Okay, they don't even wait for the trend line to be broken. They will buy straight away here. Sometimes the bottom will fail and the price will just collapse down and they will lose money. But you have to wait for your trend line to be broken first, okay? And then you enter like a professional traders are doing also, okay? And then you take a first profit right here, because there is a resistance here, okay? So also for a double bottom to be valid, it must be during the uptrend. So you locate on the higher time frame that the market is on the uptrend. You switch your favorite lower time frame to recognize your pattern. The only time that we use the double bottom, which is a bullish pattern in the downtrend, is when we have a reversal. So the downtrend has ended. So we know that this is a downtrend on the higher time frame, and this downtrend has ended. Okay, so we locate a double bottom pattern, we use it, okay, carefully, we analyze the situation, and we buy at that point. That's the only time we use the double bottom pattern in the downtrend, when the trend on your particular time frame or on the higher time frame has ended. Okay, but this pattern is valid also on the when you use it. Okay, so you locate, suppose you locate on the 4-hour chart that we have a uptrend going on. Okay, so you switch back to your 15-minute chart, you see a double bottom pattern. That's an excellent opportunity to buy. So you are buying in the direction of the higher time frame trend with a bullish pattern on the lower time frame. Okay, right here, this is a double bottom with a higher low. Okay, we'll recognize this. This is a powerful tool that you can also use. I'll show you that pattern here. This is the pattern I'm talking about here. The price, we must first have a downtrend. Very important for a double bottom. Must first have a downtrend on that particular time frame that you are trading in. Very important. Okay, this part is very important. It's the first condition, and then the price try to go up, find resistance, pull back here, but couldn't reach this level here. That's what we call about a bullish momentum, a strong bullish momentum. Couldn't even touch the previous level. People took it straight away here. You wait for your trend line on this side, okay, the trend line on this side to be broken, and then you buy right there. You take your first profit right here. Very important. You take your first profit here, and then you wait for the price to cross that resistance level with a bullish candle, as I show you in this chart of 50-minute chart. As you can see, this is the candle I'm talking about. This is the bullish candle that crosses this resistance level that I will show you there, and you buy again after this candle here. What myself I'm doing, I'm not giving any advice for anybody to follow or do exactly what I'm doing. You are responsible for your own trading. Right here, what I usually do after I locate this bullish pattern in an uptrend, okay, I wait for this trend line to be broken. Then I'm buying here. I will open 2 trades, okay, 2 trades straight away. I'll open, not to be too greedy, 2 trades. I will close 1 trade at this resistance level here and see what the reaction of the price. If the price breaks through like it did here, I will keep the other position open and see how far this will go. The first target, I repeat, the first target when you are dealing with this powerful double bottom pattern, the first target is this. Your target is the projection of this distance, okay, the distance. You see this level here, yeah, you take it from this bottom, the highest bottom here, the highest bottom, the projection, horizontal projection, you project it here, okay, the distance from here to here, not this distance, not this one, not this distance, not this distance at all, but from here, this horizontal, from this level here, okay, you project it vertically to the resistance level here. If it's 50 pip, okay, if that distance from here to here is 50 pip, you project it from this resistance level to the upside again 50 pip. That will be your first target. If you buy here after the resistance level here is broken, okay, that's how you do it. And then together with the pivot level, you are controlling and managing your trade, because a lot of traders will enter a trade and they don't know when to come out, they don't know what's going on, or sometimes they will come out so early, okay, or sometimes they will stay too long and lose money, okay. The trade management is also very, very important. So when you buy after this candle here is breakout, your target will be the distance from this you see this horizontal line here, this horizontal line here, you project it from here. I'll draw another horizontal line there so you can see, okay. I'll draw another horizontal line here, okay. So the distance from here to here, that's 12720, say 12760, that's 40 pip, let's say 40 pip, okay. You project that 40 pip from here to here will be somewhere again in this region here, okay. So you take your profit there. Exactly, that's what people did here. That's why the price came back. So your distance from this higher low, project it vertically to the resistance level here. You send the same distance to the upside here. That will be your first target if you buy at this level here, okay. And then you see that's what exactly people did here. They took a bit of profit. After this white candle here, the price pulled back, and then you see again going back to exactly where he was going first. It was going up, it turned around, and now it turned around again. You buy again after this white candle here. This candle here, that's what we call about the powerful continuation candle, because the price going up and then it did the opposite direction, and then again it did the old version, okay. The uptrend is dominant, and then the little bit of pullback, okay, nice one, giving other to see whether we're going to have more demand. Exactly, this confirmed, this candle is confirm the validity of the more demand, more buyer is shown us here exactly at R1, another pivot level here. We have this weak follow here, people bought it here, this huge candle follow it all the way to R2. You take again profit here. This is a trade that we took today, okay, to show you how you can use this powerful candle, this powerful also pattern, the double bottom with a higher low in your trading, in order to achieve consistent winning trade. As we use the TSTW24 trading system, it's another consistent winning trade system that with more than 80% winning trade, okay. This powerful tool is now on the market. We have 5 TSTW. TSTW stands for trading system that work. For those who has been watching my video for long and you are fed up of me saying this over and over, okay, it's part of the education. Bear with me, please, okay. So this is about this powerful chart pattern, the double bottom with a higher low right here. You buy after this trend line is broken. You must master it and know how to use it, okay. Master it, own it, okay. Let this thing belongs to you, okay. It's like your wife, so you recognize your wife among the crowd, or if you're a woman, you recognize your husband among the crowd, or your child, You recognize it. You can't mix it. So this pattern, recognize them clearly, own them. So you know exactly what to do. Once you recognize it, as we did today, you wait for your trainer to be broken. You buy. What I usually do, I open 2 positions, okay, and then you take 1 profit here. You don't have to do like me. You can close it here and see the reaction of the price, because there's a resistance here. And then if you see a bullish candle cross over, you buy again, place your stop loss below this, and then you see, you do the projection again, and you master and know how to use this powerful tool in your trading, as this has happened today. Okay, today on the 15th of July 2010, you master this and you use it right here. What is happening now on this chart here, if you open your eyes carefully here, we have this ABCD pattern again happening right here. Okay, we know that from this pivot level here, this green, this pink one pivot level here, the price went to the R1. That's the first leg. Okay, that's A, okay, B, C, D. Okay, right there, people are selling again. That's another pattern. So these are the consistency. Use consistent tool for consistent winning trend with TSCW24, with the chart patterns. Okay, use those tools, okay, together with what you already use. Till next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. Thank you.